Everyone has one big question. Will AI replace what I'm doing? So let's talk about. You might have asked yourself this big question. Did I waste years of my time building the skill that I have right now, only to see AI taking it over? You could be teaching business, fitness, mindset, mathematics, marketing, anything, whatever it is. You might have felt that AI is taking away the credit or AI is doing whatever you're doing right now. This can be a designer, coding, image creation for advertising. And over the last few years, you might have spent hours and hours building your skill set to help your clients get results. You might have ran webinars, built courses, built teams, ran ads, only to see your prospect is now going to ChatGPT or Claude or Poe to find the answers you used to give on your paid coaching calls. And you might have felt the offer that you are giving on your webinars or your challenges or on your calls might have gone down. And you are not alone. Most of the people who are not leveraging AI are feeling this. So you're not alone. And if you believe that this is the end of the coaching business, I would say you're wrong. This is not the end of the coaching business. And here is why. AI is going to replace only one thing, which is this, the surface level answer. If you are just providing, hey, how to set up your Facebook pixel, yeah, AI is going to surpass you, is going to replace you very fast. But at the same time, AI is not at a level where it can actually coach your clients when they are at the lowest point, when they are at their rock bottom. It cannot help your prospects create belief in themselves. It cannot help with their mindset stuff. It cannot help them. It cannot give customized advices on their specific situation because it lacks experience. It has data, but it cannot base answers based on the experience, because experience is what you have developed by tackling different situations. And I believe your power was never to give answers. It's not to just give answers. Anyone can give an answer. I believe that your power is knowing which answer actually works for your prospect, for your client, because that is what matters at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, your prospect or your clients are not paying you to get access to PDF, to get access to checklists, or to hear some random theory. They are paying for certainty in getting a result. And that is what your prospects are paying you for. And that is where I believe the human layers comes into place, and where you can leverage AI and human interface or human experiences or human knowledge. Okay. And that is what makes the value that you're offering goes up. Let's take an example. You are a coach who is teaching people building a brand. And before AI, you might have helped them with writing content, picking topics for their videos, and helping them with the video scripts. But now AI can do all of that. So you can actually use AI to create scripts for them in your frameworks, in your experiences, teaching your AI on how to write ads. And now what you can actually do is you can improve, you can correct, you can help them get results faster, which is a good thing when you use AI. Because at the end of the day, when you start using AI in your business, coaching becomes 5x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 100x more powerful. So what now? Here is what you can actually do after watching this video. So step one, choose one repetitive task that you are doing for your clients on a regular basis, on a weekly basis. For example, are you teaching them content ideas, how to come up with content? Are you teaching them how to make sure that they follow their diet plans, or how to create a diet plan for a specific customer? Are you helping them writing emails, promotional emails, challenge webinar, pre-webinar emails, post-webinar emails, close cart email sequences, right? Any situation, pick one. And step two is create a custom prompt in GPT or Claude to solve that specific problem. In fact, if you don't know how to create a prompt, ask AI what information that you need to give it to get a specific output. It will give you what it actually needs. That is the beauty of it. And if you still need help, check in the description. You can book in a one-on-one consultation call where I'll ask you what you need, and I'll create a custom prompt either on the call or after the call, and I'll send it over to you. Okay. And the step three is review. Once you get an output, like, it is not the final thing. Take feedback. Is it giving the same output in all the situations, or is it giving output in very specific situations and it is crappy output in different situations, right? So you need to review it based on situations. That's where you'll onboard beta clients to start using the AI and look for output, identify the gaps, and these gaps are what you're going to help solve on your coaching calls. And step 4, start using AI in your programs. There is no benefit of hiding it, especially in 2025 and beyond. Everyone is using AI. So while everyone is using, why are you not? So you start using AI to your advantage and start teaching it in your programs. Teach your clients how to use it, how to best effectively use it using your methods. You're not teaching some random stuff. You're still teaching how to use AI with your frameworks. And this is where, when you start using AI in your business, in your coaching business, AI becomes your Jarvis. I'm a huge fan of Iron Man. So yeah, Jarvis. This is how coaching has evolved with AI, especially in 2025 and beyond. And this, I believe that the real problem is not AI. It's not using AI and adapting to changes. That is the biggest problem. And the truth is, as I said, surface level coaching, if you are teaching people how to set up Facebook ad pixel, the clock is ticking because it's almost up. No one is paying anyone to learn how to set up a pixel. There are free videos on YouTube right now to solve that problem. So no one is going to pay you for that. Cool. So if you want to install a smarter AI system in your coaching business, book a consultation call. The link is in the description, and we'll be creating more content around how to leverage AI in your business and how to make sure you are scaling your business with AI. And if you want to hear of more content like that, subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.